You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Items provided by Spin Master for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and today, Butch and I... Yes, Butch and I are going to check out Tech Deck Dudes.
Dudes! Hey, the dudes at Spin Master sent these to us, LPS-Dave. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. And girls, you got to say girls.
Guys is kind of collective, guys and girls.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, let's just accept that.
Dudes! We'll just call them dudes.
Hey, yeah, all the dudes at Spin Master.
Yep.
Thanks for sending these to us to check out on video. These are Series 1 dudes.
That's good.
Brand new. Well, brand new to us. I've had them for a little while. Finally getting to the video. There are 70 plus to collect. And
70?
They are mini figs.
Excuse me?
Mini figures.
I love figs.
You love figs. And they sent us a bunch of packs. We got the 4-packs, the 2-packs, and the blind bags in the center.
These are all full of dudes.
They are. So let's learn about them. We will come back now. We're going to open up one of each of the packs and then some of the blind bags so we can learn about dudes.
Dudes.
As always, Butch, we start with the smallest pack first, which would be these blind bags. Now, they were nice enough to send us
Either way.
this full retail box full of these blind bags. Pretty exciting.
That's right.
All right, now we're not
Full
going
of dudes.
We're not going to take them all out. Now, they sent us even more stuff for dudes.
More dudes.
Now, we'd love to give them away, but, you know, unless you send us a letter, you have no chance of getting anything from the Lucky Penny Shop. All right, so I'm going to open up 4. Oh, I guess I'm going to open up 5.
Oh, bonus dude.
5 dudes. Here we go. Now, these are for ages 5 plus. 70 to collect. It's almost like a Christmas ornament hanging on your tree.
Oh, that would be cool. I'm going to make a whole dude theme.
Right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, okay, there is dude
yeah.
number 1. Now, right away, I'm jumping to the poster. Why am I jumping to the poster?
You're jumping on the poster. Stop that, LPS-Dave.
I'm jumping to the poster because I want to know if I have a common, a rare, or an ultra rare. So we have Wild Warriors, Ninja Squad. All right, you decide which group you're going to be in.
I'm definitely in the Ninja Squad.
I think you're going to be in this group. Poser Posse, Ghost Gang, Zombie Swarm, Street Squad, Army Troop.
Alley Squad maybe back there. Dumpster Squad.
No. Concrete Crew, Money Mob, and Brainy Bunch.
No, that's not me.
And at the bottom is the limited Epic Trick Edition. All right, so we have this little guy here. All right, so they are a hard figure and a little... Ooh, look at that.
Look at that go.
Rolls pretty good. He just slips right on. He's got what looks to be like silver knuckles and a silver chain. Okay.
And cool Beats headphones.
Whee! Yeah, and headphones. All right, so we're going to have to figure this out, aren't we?
Back in my skateboard days, LPS-Dave, boy, could I turn some tricks with that.
Yeah, what was your favorite trick, Butch, since you're
usually
boasting
it was
about
right by the dumpster, into the dumpster, grab some food, right back on the skateboard. It never stopped.
Yeah, the Smiley Ollie.
Exactly.
All right, look at this guy. So he's all pimped out as well with the little hat. It looks like a Burger King kind of hat. What kind of hat would you call that?
Yeah, that would be called the Prince.
The Prince hat. All right. All right, here we go. Another one. Another one. Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this guy, look at that. He's all decked out. It seems like all these skateboarders are rich, okay? They can afford all
They
this.
got a lot of bling out there.
A lot of bling, okay.
These are bling dudes.
You skateboarders out there rich, huh? All right, here we go. 2 more of these. 2 more of these. And
This is funny. You're not trying to figure out what it is. That's unique.
Well, they're all pretty much the same. Oh, look at this guy. Okay, so now we have someone with a hammer.
If I had a hammer,
Yeah.
boy, I'll tell you.
A hammer, what looks to be like boxing gloves almost.
Interesting.
Okay, last but not least, and then we will take a break and check out who we have on the list. Okay, let's see. Which one is this? This is...
It's a skateboard, I think.
This is a dude. It's a dude.
Nice.
Oh, it's a dude in purple.
Whoa.
Look at his finger. He's got his hand has a hand and a bone. And look, his toes are poking out of his boots.
Oh, boy.
All right, before we go, though, let's give everybody a quick zoom in here. We're going to lose you for a second.
Yes.
Hate to lose you, Butch.
No, focus on the dudes, LPS-Dave.
Yes, the dudes are important, right? Okay, so there they are. Everybody focus on that. We're going to come back, try to pick them off the list, and then open up some of the bigger packs so we can see what's in those. All right, we are back with the packs. We have the 4-packs and the 2-packs. But before we go on, Butch and I meticulously scanned our poster. Remember the poster, everybody. This will give you an idea of everybody that's in. I'll probably scan that for you and put that right up on the screen. It's kind of hard to read when someone's doing that, isn't it? All right, so from left to right, who do we have?
On the left, LPS-Dave is from the Money Mob, Trash Felix.
Common, rare, or uncommon, or...
He's normal.
Normal.
Whatever that means.
Yeah, common. All right, next.
You are in the presence of royalty,
dropping in.
It's Prince Pop. And he's rare.
Oh, rare. Good job, Prince Pop. Next.
Next up.
Dropping in.
Grills from the Money Mob.
Common or rare?
Normal.
Get out of here. We don't want it. All right, next. Dropping in.
From the Poser Posse. It's Hammerhead.
Oh, he wiped out.
Wipe out.
We had a wipe out. Next, and last but not least.
Next up from the Zombie
was he common or common?
Normal.
Normal? Okay. Next, dropping in.
From the Zombie Swarm, LPS-Dave, we've got a rare visit from Viral Vid.
Yeah. All right. Enough of that. Enough of that spitting.
Never enough of that.
Tabletop. All right, so this pack here, giveaway. This pack here, giveaway. We're just showing you now that these inner pieces are different colors. This one's white. I took away the blue. We're getting rid of the orange. Giveaway. Giveaway. We have now a 4-pack with the green and a 2-pack with the white.
Dudes.
2-pack for sure.
6 more.
All right, so time to open. But let's do this. We always save the... you know what I see right here? Guess what I see right here? This guy right here. Guess what he is?
Oh, he's super rare.
He is. Ooh, we got a super rare.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I'm just going to go in, rip out all the pieces, throw them on the table, drop them in like they would. I can't think of the commercial. I was watching it the other day. I forgot what it was for. It could be one of those silly Geico commercials. I don't know. But the kids were at the skate park and they were all hanging out and doing their tricks. Okay, there's a little stand here. And then a guy comes in on a office chair. And he just like...
At the skate park.
Yeah, and he drops in. And he starts doing tricks in his office chair. And they're all looking at each other going,
I like that.
I have no idea what's going on here right now. There's 2 of these little pins. Okay. I just put it in there thinking, yeah, maybe it's some kind of stand. I don't know. All right. And then we have this guy in here. All right. Let's get him out.
So you can see one of them and the other one's secret, right? Is that the idea?
Yes. It's a surprise. All right. Gold knuckles. All right. So here is the surprise. Let's see. Ooh, I can see through the bag slightly. He looks almost clear.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I got a clear... Oh, yeah, look at that.
Whoa.
Ooh, with a clear skateboard.
That's pretty freaky.
All right, so how do we do this set? I don't see. Oh, so this goes like this. And then there's the little pin. It looks like it clips in like this. Okay? And then it sits on this. So you could display your special character in there.
Oh, that's cool. It's a dude display.
It's a dude display. They show it right here. It says, build your own dudes display.
I wonder if you can stack them.
You can, because they show you now putting this one on top of this one. So then you can probably go in different directions. We'll won't know till we get the next pack open, right? Oh, all right. So we're going to find out who these 2 guys are. Or girls. I'm sure there's girls in here. We'll be right back. All right, Butch, dropping in. We have...
From the Ghost Gang, LPS-Dave. This is the ultra rare.
Oh, we got an
Dark
ultra
Slide.
Rare. Very nice. And this guy...
And from the Money Mob, that's Big Rings, LPS-Dave.
And he is a common, I believe.
Yes.
We don't want him.
Oh.
Just kidding, everybody. He stayed on his skateboard pretty good. I wonder if they're going to make little track sets for these where you can just zoom them around. That would be fun. All right, so let's get these guys out of the way. Well, we'll leave our stand. We're going to need that because we want to combine. And we'll put our ultra super duper rare in there. How's that?
Yes.
Now we're opening a 4-pack with a mystery. I'm sure there's a mystery one. I'm being very careful. And already I see my limited edition
Yep.
I'm surprised they put the limited edition right in front.
Boy, oh boy, I'd grab that one off the shelf
Yeah,
immediately.
he's right there. The limited edition ones have a hole like this one on his head, so he's doing other tricks.
That's got a headache
Here's
all
our...
over it. That's Fresh Felix, by the way, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, he's fresh, isn't he?
It's called the Epic Track Edition.
Epic Track Edition.
Uh-huh.
Now I want to do this real quick. We'll put this in here. And then you would slide that there.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now we have a tower. Tower of Dudes, we'll call it. The Dude Tower.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I
He's
see.
gonna slide right out of there.
No, he'll be okay. It's just this can go in multiple directions. There's a flatter surface area here. See that? Okay.
Now that makes sense.
Doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Which means this guy is going to want to go there. Okay.
Nice.
All right, so this was just being extra base, and I lost my other piece somewhere on the floor.
Uh-oh.
All right, so this guy is all gray. You think you can find him real quick or not?
Probably not, LPS-Dave.
He's gray. He's got a gray skateboard with black wheels. Now, that was the way we were able to easily find everybody by the skateboard color. Because they're all pretty much a little bit different. There is some continuity with some of them. All right, this guy is a police officer. He's got a donut in his hand.
I get it.
You get it?
Uh-huh.
All right. And now we have one more to go in the blind. Okay, so the all gray guy, he's got a gray skateboard with black wheels. Gray skateboard, black wheels. I don't see him. Oh, he's going to be in the Concrete Crew. He's right in the middle. He's Stone Cold
Sarah.
Sarah. She.
Stone Cold Sarah.
Sorry, Sarah. And Sarah is a common. And then
Don't take that personally, Sarah.
No, it's okay. You're better than everybody else. And then we have the donut guy. You keep looking for the donut guy. He's got a blue skateboard with white wheels. This guy looks like he's got... Oh, no, he's a dupe.
No.
We got a dupe.
That's our first one.
Dupe, dupe, dupe. Dupe of dudes, dupe of dudes. Yep. He's the same figure, but different hand.
Oh, interesting.
Is he the same? Yep, same guy.
Hey, LPS-Dave, I think I found our police officer.
What is the police officer?
I think he's from the Poser Posse. His name is Oh No.
Oh No.
He is a common.
Common? Yeah, he is part of the Poser Posse. All right, let me bring in the last of our guys here. I want to thank everybody for taking the time. Give everybody a nice thank you for taking time out of their day. I mean,
boy, oh boy.
Who wants to
tell you.
Yeah, go ahead.
I got to tell you, LPS-Dave.
Right, keep it under like a minute, huh?
I'm just overwhelmed by the dedication of our fans, our viewers that take time out to watch us ramble on in these videos and watch you, go through directions and me rambling on about my life stories. And I know that's the interesting part, actually. That's what keeps you coming back. But we just want to say thank you for duding out with us today. You dude out with us anytime you can. I want to say thanks to Spin Master for sending us these dudes so we could dude out with you today.
And the Academy of YouTube Arts. And, he's got every thank you in there.
I am somebody.
All right, well, everybody, thanks for watching. We do appreciate it. We are pretty excited about our dudes, and we got lots to give away, so look in that description on how to get a set if you can. And thanks for watching. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody. Dudes!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.